In this video, I'll show you how to embed a map here in Constant Contact. Just a quick heads up, you won't be able to easily add in an HTML code or embed a map in a specific campaign, all right? You can do so by going to marketing channels right here under email, create an email, and then go ahead and click on build with HTML, all right? When you start from blank, you won't be able to add in an HTML code, okay? You will have to start from scratch right here with HTML. Okay, don't forget to hit on live preview so you'll be able to see your preview right here. Now, for example, we would try to embed a Google map. All right, let's go ahead and open up Google Map real quick. Maybe this area right here. All right, I'm just going to right click. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on share this location. And then I'm going to click on embed a map. Right here, copy HTML. All right. The next thing would be is to paste that code in here. Now, the easiest way to add a map on your forms or email or any other campaigns right here is simply creating an image. All right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and create a new email right here. Create email. And then I'm going to start from the blank or scratch. All right, so first up, go ahead and add an image. All right, in here maybe. Then click on the image uploader, then click on replace. So in here, it will need a photo. All right. You can go ahead and upload a screenshot of the map. For example, this is the map, right? I'm going to use the snipping tool right here. Like so. I'm going to add in the image. Maybe this one. Save as. Desktop. PNG. Map. Save. Now let's go back to Constant Contact, upload, select the file from your computer. There you go. Open, upload files. Wait for it to process. It's done. Just close this one. Wait for it to load. Here you have the map. Insert. Now when someone clicks on the map, as you might notice, we don't have the link. So to add a link in this image, just click on it. Now in here we have this link option. Just click on it. Now go ahead and find the web page. Click on it. Now it's going to need a URL. So let's go back to the map. And here, right click, share this location, copy link, go back to Constant Contact, right click and paste, insert. All right. So when someone clicks on this map, you can go ahead and make it bigger if you want to, like so. Preview and test. Click on the map and they will be landed in the exact location. All right. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.